Hi guys, PK's on the phone. Okay, so since everything is falling apart, let's analyze Bitcoin. So macro picture, I still think that we're searching for this number 4, the inner 4 of the third wave, having 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, searching for the bottom of 4 and hoping for the 5 of the third. If we're gonna find the bottom here, and if I didn't make a mistake in counting this, and this is all a completion of something else. So we drop from here back to the Stone Age, right? Now, before dropping back to the Stone Age, let's go to the count. The most dominant count would still be big flat. Now, I went over this many times already, but I just added this count that I saw from George. I like how he found a triangle here instead of a WXY or something, but still both counts lead to the same conclusion. I just made a mistake thinking that we're gonna go higher before we get lower. So my targets were here for 1-to-1, and we have a channel support, as you can see, still from the 1-2. So you either try to be a hero and you're buying here, which I wouldn't recommend. I would recommend rather waiting for the market to prove that there's some support there. Now, these guys are right in the buy zone. Perhaps we're gonna form a divergence with the lower low here. So what kind of confirmations can we look at? Well, if we have given the fact that this would be a 4, right? We still didn't invalidate the 5. Well, we should look for an impulse to end, right? And then one of the confirmations would be breaking the level of old 4, but I cannot decipher which one is 4 here. I'm gonna go on 1 hour and take a look again, but still nothing to call right now. We could also have this whole thing being a 1, 2, and now we're building a larger 3. That would be devastating, because the next support is here. When we measure flat, we take the price projection tool from the origin of the wave A, anchor to the B, and first target is 1-to-1 here. The second one would be 1618 or 175. I measured this earlier in linear scale, so that's why they're a bit distorted, and this would be the previous triangle area here. Hopefully we don't get there. This is why buying here would be a hero, right? So another thing to look at is jumping out of this descending channel. And the third and the most confident thing to see would be breaking the big 4. Well, that would be a trend change already. So let's take a look at 1 hour to check if I can see something. So still not yet dead, the 5th. I cannot count this as a zigzag either. Without forcing anything, I would do this. This could be either 2 or maybe this is going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending diagonal. A little too early. What if this just goes back in a zigzag form? Then another triangle is still possible. All right. Still not clear, so hurry up and wait if you're not already short and you don't care. Similar thing on Ethereum. Yeah, I forgot to mention this can truncate as well. Since we had an extended third wave, this screams, whether you measure it from here or from here, this screams wave 3 here. But the pullback was rather long. That's almost 50 here. That's more than 50. So maybe there's going to be a truncation as well, especially if it forms on any diagonal. Macro, just one more thing. If I measure from wave 2 to wave 3, 0.38 falls on 57k and a half. Okay. Ethereum, either 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 or ABCW X ABCY back to the Stone Age. Let's take a look at the structure here. First, I thought of labeling this as an ABC. Doesn't matter anymore. If you label it a 1 2 3 running flat 4 and a 5, well then this is going to be your A, and you're going to have your B with a combo, and you need another impulse to end it. So either Ethereum is done here, or we're going to take discount, get it? Because you could argue that there is a little impulse here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. This would go well with Bitcoin. All right. Again, this would confirm the further uprise. Now, the bottom didn't happen, so we have a clear invalidation point of a triangle here, and if we break this triangle, I'm never gonna analyze XRP again. So the current move seems to be that the bearish count won with swing down. Then this is a flat zigzag and expanding diagonal as a C. This is a flat with 335 of a B, and then we need impulsive or motive to end it. So looking from here, immediately I just want to do this. At least. Just measuring this wave here. Okay, sorry. Just measuring this. It fell to the wave 3 zone. So I wouldn't like calling the bottoms already. But we did overshoot the terminus of wave A. So technically it can be done. The best thing would be invalidating the wave 4, and if we did form a wave 4, current suspect of a wave 4 would be here. Even better if we invalidate the B or 2. But nobody wants to long when it's here already, right? When I look at ADA or Link, they're really similar to me. So after a clean impulse, I thought this would be the end, for example, on ADA, both in Link, and then there was this big wick down, and we have an irregular top, which made me think that we're making a flat, and actually it is the case because it's a 3-3 and diagonal 5. So I thought, okay, flat, this is it, we're gonna go. And this just formed a wave X. So when you have a wave X, well, then you need to take a look at the double combo. And if you have an impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, that would be your wave A. This could be your B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. So arguably, this could also be done. The wave relationship is, as you can see, WX to Y. Y overshoots 1. Deleting this. However, if I look this development, it looks to me like a 1, 2, 3 in, making a 4 and 5. If Bitcoin goes now, this is gonna go now. It's similar with Link. So 1, 2, 3, triangle 4, and a 5, terminus, and then a 3, 3, 5 again, flat into X, and same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then this would be another A, B, C. And again, I would argue that I would like to put this rather than anything else. So I wouldn't leverage right now. I would wait. So either this is good because Bitcoin dominance will drop now, and you are at the stage where we're making a massive 1-2 on alts. But if this was it, the alts are dead. Because if this was some sort of a flat, well then there's that. There's a W, X and Y. And I could apply this to many other alts. All right. Hopefully 1-to-1 holds here. And we go and we continue on. And we have a massive bull run. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you.